Make me unleash the beast. I'm unleashing the beast now. No, wow. Don't let Tello take over. See that? No touching at all. You guys see what I'm seeing? The reason why Tello, look at Tello. You don't even have to touch the throttle. And let's gonna go ahead. That's called DJI. So, and we're gonna go ahead and put it right here. I'm gonna compare this to Dolby. See guys, look at that, not touching the throttle. So who do you think? Who do you think right now who was Tello killer? Wow, so it's good. Yeah, so I'm just flying it right now, and you can see the stabilization is very smooth. I'm not touching anything. It's recording. Let me go ahead and press record. Wow.
Are you looking for something?
No. Sorry, I'm in the video. Sorry guys. You see that? The pole is moving more than the Tello. And then when I was flying the Me Too drone, the Xiaomi, I'm actually have to chase it down over there because I already know it's gonna crash. But with this guy here, look, he's just having a good, I don't even have to do anything. I can just relax here and drink. You see that guys? Wow, very smooth. It's so smooth that it can do it like this. Wow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fly it over here. Different position now. And stabilization still not damaging. Wow. So I'm gonna do the same thing what the Me Too drone did. So here you go. I'm gonna have it right there. And that's the wind. So I'm not in the fast mode right now. I can actually go around the flag. I couldn't even get near to that flag earlier with the Xiaomi Me Too. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put this over here. I did the same thing with Xiaomi Me Too. See, I have it right here. It just hovers. Guys, it just hover. So you guys see that right now. And I still have plenty battery, plenty of juice. Wow. So for $10 more you can get Tello. I can actually go all the way up there. Let's go. Let's see how high we can go. I'm all the way 10. See that, guys? Tello is way out there. I don't even have to trust the transmitter. Wow. Now you guys see, here, let's go over here. And you can see the flag is moving now. See, the gust is blowing. Now you see Tello is moving just a little bit. Now you see it. He's actually moving. Because the reason why, because it's blocking the wind more and it's going to that more effect to him. But if you have it here, you see, it's not affecting. Again, one more time, It's not affecting right there, right? But if you have it over here, see, you're actually having more wind because of the channel of the wind. So again, Tello one, no one's gonna kill this guy. Even with my Adobe is having a hard time. So I'm gonna go ahead and land now. Hold on, turn on the video, and I'm gonna go ahead and the way you want to land is you want to land in front of, see the wind's blowing that direction, you want to be in the back of the wind. So here you go, just land it like that.